Oops. Now Siddhant will give you a demonstration of how to put his foot into the mouth. Lift your leg, hold with both hands, slowly draw towards mouth. Don't get distracted, please, Mr. Siddhant. Continue the demonstration. Okay, hold both hands.
Both hands.
Hold your feet with both hands. Focus, focus. Wiggle your toes. Admire your feet. And then what do you do? Mr. Siddhant, very good, very good, very good. There you go, there you go. Almost there. Don't forget to inhale and exhale. This is a position from the top angle. Alright, Mr. Siddhant, please demonstrate. Very good. Almost there. Go for it. Very good. Touchdown. It's a touchdown.